This video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. Content includes opinions and information gathered from public sources and personal parenting experience. We do not claim full accuracy. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual or organization. I am not a licensed child psychologist or family therapist. Always use your own judgment about what's appropriate for your children and consult a professional if you have concerns about a child's anxiety or well-being. The views expressed here are my own. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. Right now, canned food aisles look normal, but supply chains for a handful of specific canned goods are already strained. Tariffs, ingredient shortages, and shipping delays are quietly squeezing certain items off shelves for good. These 10 canned foods are the ones you want in your pantry before the gaps show up. Number 4 is one most people don't even think to stock. If you're new here, I break down practical, no panic preparedness. The stuff that actually matters without the doomsday theater. If that's your speed, subscribe because I post lists like this several times a week. Let's get into it. Item 10, canned chicken, starting at 10. Canned chicken. It's one of the densest protein sources you can store shelf stable, and it's already seeing price hikes due to feed and processing costs. Unlike canned tuna, canned chicken works in a huge range of meals. Soups, casseroles, straight out of the can in a pinch. Grab a few cases now while pricing is still reasonable. Item 9, canned tomatoes. Number 9, canned tomatoes, whole or diced. These are the base of more meals than almost any other pantry item. And tomato crops have taken hits from weather disruptions the last 2 seasons. When the base ingredient gets expensive, the canned version gets pulled from budget shelves first. Stock now, rotate through your regular cooking. Item 8, canned coconut milk. This one surprises people, but it's become a key ingredient swap for dairy in a lot of budget cooking, and supply has been inconsistent due to import shipping costs. If you use it for cooking or coffee, grab several cans now. It has a long shelf life and won't go to waste. Item 7, canned pumpkin, number 7. And this isn't just for pie. Canned pumpkin is a shelf-stable source of vitamin A and fiber, and it's shockingly versatile in savory cooking too. Seasonal supply already causes shortages every fall. Buy it in the off-season when it's actually available and cheap. Item 6, canned salmon. Higher in omega-3s than tuna and holding its price better than fresh fish, canned salmon is becoming a staple prepper protein. Fishing quotas and import costs have been pushing prices up steadily. Buy a case now before another price jump. Item 5, canned evaporated milk. A pantry classic that's quietly become harder to find in some regions due to dairy processing shortages. It's shelf-stable for years and can substitute for fresh milk in cooking and baking. If your store still has full shelves of it, that's your window. Item 4, canned beef. Here's the one I mentioned up top. Canned beef is one of the least stocked items in most pantries simply because people don't think about it. But it's one of the most calorie-dense, protein-rich, shelf-stable foods you can own. And it's already selling out on some online retailers. This is a genuine blind spot most preppers miss. Get a few cans while you still can. Item 3, canned green beans and corn, basic but essential. Vegetable canning plants have had repeated disruptions the last 2 years, and these 2 vegetables specifically have seen the most inconsistent restocking. They're cheap now, buy in bulk, while prices haven't caught up to supply issues. Item 2, canned soups, full meals not condensed. not the condensed kind you add water to, the full, ready-to-eat meal soups. These are a fast, no-cook required meal option during a power outage, and they are one of the first things to clear off shelves in any regional disruption. Grab a case for exactly that scenario. Item 1, canned butter or ghee, and number 1, canned butter or ghee. Most people have never even seen this exist, which is exactly why it's on this list. It's shelf-stable for years without refrigeration, and it solves one of the biggest gaps in emergency food storage: fat. You can have all the canned protein and vegetables in the world, but without fat, your food storage isn't complete. This is the item almost nobody stocks, and it's the one that will matter most if things get hard. That's 10 canned foods I'd grab before supply gets tighter. None of these are exotic or expensive. They're just the ones people overlook until the shelf is empty. If you want a full pantry checklist to build this out properly, I've got a guide linked below. Subscribe for more lists like this and let me know in the comments which one surprised you most. Stay ready, not scared.